Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today, my group will present about a topic that we have decided, that is, which is the best one between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So before I would like to brief even further about our topic. First of all, I would like to introduce me and my my teammate. First of all, my name is Muhammad Alif Ashraf bin Nazaruddin, metric number 1181694. The other one, Muhammad Zikri bin Mat Khairuddin, 1181691. And last but not least, Ahmad Alif Bayhaki bin Muhammad Zawawi, 1181705. Okay, we proceed to the introduction of this topic. So, there were several types of internet connectivity like Wi-Fi and mobile data. Each of these connectivity have their own advantages and disadvantages. It is up to the user to decide which type of data access is best to fulfill their needs. Wi-Fi is mainly a fixed internet connection, so you can only use it in one location like at home or office. Wi-Fi speeds are generally better than mobile data. Mobile data is what allows your phone to get online when you are away from Wi-Fi. Mobile-enabled device can send and receive information over a wireless cellular connection. As long as you have a cellular connection, you can use the internet. So the reason that we choose this issue, because first of all, because the coronavirus that have been such a major impact to the world. There were many people affected with the virus. Lockdown is a common thing for people these days, especially for those that live in Malaysia. People spend a lot of time at home. Some companies and individuals have resorted to working remotely, while students were needed to have online class only. Hence, a setup that requires reliable, fast, and secure internet connection were important since most of the people need to work from home. For this reason, the existence of internet connectivity are very important for those that need to have strong connection to ease their work. This issue helped the people to compare and choose the best out of those internet connectivity and consider the advantages and disadvantages between it.
Now, the objective. The coronavirus changed way of doing things. Some company and individual have resorted to working remotely, a setup that requires reliable, fast, and secure internet connectivity. Student one of the individual affected in this pandemic to use the best connection for study. Provide the best connection must be subscribed for efficiently daily user. Get the best price and package for stability of the coverage is great to efficiently online distance learning. After that, the finding. Wi-Fi is a critical part of your IT technology is in a business setting. Improper device timing and inappropriate configuration will cause performance and security issues. You and your staff are essentially cut off from the rest of the world without proper Wi-Fi coverage. There is a few common wireless network issue. First is connectivity issue, second security issue, and the third network expansion issue, and the last access point issue. Observation: this mobile data is the best way you can get fixed Wi-Fi, but when to have a shared internet connection where you cannot get fixed Wi-Fi and you left alone. A mobile data device may not be necessary because you can just use your phone to create a hotspot. However, your phone may also not be ideal when it accepts one SIM card when you want to simultaneously use two. Wi-Fi is best where there is a fixed connection, where speed are good and you can afford the setup and package. Speed and fees different between provider. For example, massive fiber is generally faster than Celcom package. In terms of price, Wi-Fi is more expensive than mobile data. Wi-Fi is faster than mobile data. Mobile network operators have varying speed due to a number of reasons. There are a number of internet speed testing sites which include speed check and internet speed test measure the connection speed and quality of your connected device to the internet.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Mahiruddin. Number matrix 1181691. Okay, today I want to share or I will explain about suggestion how to overcome network wireless issue. Okay, about suggestion. First, there are a few suggestions how we can improve our Wi-Fi network or wireless network. First, check our wired internet connection. We can say that every modem or Wi-Fi device, there is a wire or there is a few wire that connect to the modem or the device. So we have to check first how the wire itself it is okay or not. Second, update your router firmware. Router firmware is a device that connect from your device to the line, such as the modem. Okay, for example, the modem is the router, so we have to check first and to update the system itself. Third, achieve optimal router placement. We have to put it in on the place where there is a signal over there. If the place does not have a signal, so how we can get the signal to connect the internet itself. Lastly, fourth, kick off Wi-Fi intruder. Wi-Fi intruder is very serious problem because they steal our Wi-Fi line or Wi-Fi connection, such as if our neighbor or someone from outside our location or our place, they use our Wi-Fi without our permission, so we call it Wi-Fi intruder. So we must kick off. We must have password, very strong password, to make sure our Wi-Fi does not uh, have another user. That's all.
As a conclusion for this topic, users need to be smart to choose between Wi-Fi or mobile data for their own good. Each of these connectivity have their own advantages and disadvantages. Wi-Fi is the best when is a fixed connection and the speeds are good and you can afford the setup. You can afford the setup and packages, while mobile data help the users to access the internet wherever they are because they does not to bring any router. Um, in the opinion as in our opinion as students, we would even prefer Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi is even faster than mobile data, and Wi-Fi does not has limit like mobile data. So the existence of Wi-Fi help students to do online classes assignment even better than mobile data. So that's all from us. Thank you for hearing. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.